Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to check your paysafe balance. Now, I know you might be thinking, why do I need to know how to do this? Well, there are a few reasons. Maybe you're trying to figure out how much money you have left on your card before making a purchase. Or maybe you're trying to track your spending. Whatever the reason, it's good to know how to check your balance. So, let's get started. How to check your paysafe balance. There are a few different ways to check your paysafe balance. I'll go over two of the most common methods. Method 1, Online Balance Checker. This is the easiest method. All you need to do is go to the paysafe website and click on the Check Balance button. You'll be asked to enter your 16-digit PIN code. Once you do that, your balance will be displayed on the screen. Method 2, My Paysafe Account. If you have a My Paysafe account, you can check your balance there. To do this, log into your account and click on the My Balance tab. Your balance will be displayed on the screen. Checking your paysafe balance is easy. Just follow the steps above and you'll be able to see how much money you have left on your card. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. P.S. If you're looking for a way to earn some extra cash, I recommend checking out my video on how to make money online. I share a few tips and tricks that you can use to start earning money today. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.